Here are some of the reasons why I use this Chinese herb Moxa stick, which is a high purity Moxa combustion roll. This 10-piece Moxa kit was actually given to me by a martial arts friend. I was suffering from injury from the past with a dislocated wrist, a neck injury that prevents my arm from lifting, and I needed to open up my chi throughout my entire body. This is great for rehabilitation and for ongoing body maintenance. In the following, this is a quick view on how I apply it to myself. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.